As of October 18, we have received more than 191.5 million COVID-19 vaccine doses. We expect this number to reach a total of 104 million doses by the end of the October. Tapos meron tayong vaccines donations. We thank the Japanese government for their donation of close to 2 million doses of life-saving vaccines. Indeed, Japan is a friend closer than a brother, ready to help in times of need. Our thanks go also to the United States for providing more than 2 million doses of COVID-19 vaccines delivered through the facility called COVAX. This is the 7th shipment of vaccines from the United States, totaling approximately 18 million doses of vaccines. These vaccines deliveries demonstrate the strength of the U.S.-Philippine alliance. The deliveries also demonstrate the wisdom of the Philippines' decision to do its part in contributing to the COVAX facility and strengthening its engagement with the United Nations and the World Health Organization. The vaccines will benefit our country and help us bring closer to the goal of having a better Christmas.